Today we are going to be making a delicious lavender lemonade that is so light and it's perfect for summer, and you can make it a little boozy if you want to. My name is Aliena and welcome to my kitchen. Well, my garden. This is so easy to make and it only takes a few minutes to come together. So we're going to start with just 1 cup of water. We can add this to our pot. Along with 1 cup of sugar. You want to make sure that you always keep a 1-to-1 ratio for this. So if you want to double this recipe and keep the simple syrup in your fridge for other cocktails, you can, but make sure you always have it as a 1-to-1 ratio. And to give our lavender flavor, we have 1.5 tablespoons of dried lavender. And now we can give this a stir. And I like to let this cook for about 10 to 15 minutes until the sugar is completely dissolved. You don't want this to boil, but it can do a light simmer. And once all that sugar has dissolved, you can take this off the heat and let it cool until it's at room temperature. And you want to strain it to get all those lavender leaves out. So now this is the arm workout part of making our lemonade. It's squeezing out all that freshly squeezed lemon juice because we want 1 1/4 cups of lemon juice. Now we can start to put together our lemonade. So I'm going to add my 1 1/4 cups of freshly squeezed lemon juice to my pitcher. All right, and next we can add 6 cups of water. Now that our simple syrup is cool, I do want to strain it just one more time to get out any little flakes that are left in it. And we are going to add all of this to our lemonade. I will say I had this lemonade for Easter. My cousin made it and it's like my new favorite drink. And I was wondering, I was like, how do you get that amazing purple color? And she's like, oh, it's just food coloring. And I'm like, all right. I always thought it was the lavender that would do it, but no, food coloring does the job. And you can just keep adding 1 drop at a time until you get your desired color. I'm looking for a really nice pastel purple. Now, if you are doing this for your kids or for a party and you don't want alcohol, you can leave it just as is. But if you want to make this drink a little bit boozy, I recommend adding some vodka. I add about 2 ounces of vodka. This is a 2-ounce shot glass, just to spice it up a little bit. There we go. And now we can add in our lemonade. And I love the color because it's so pretty. You don't have to add the food coloring, but I think it's so fun having that beautiful light purple color. So let's taste our lavender lemonade. Wow, that is so good. It's so light and so refreshing on a hot day like today. And you also taste the floral essence of the lavender. This is my favorite lemonade. Please let me know if you try it and what you think in the comments down below. Also, if you want to see more of my punch recipes, there should be a playlist right over here or over here. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Cheers! So good.